Welcome back, the last video for Unit 4. I hope you're as glad as I am. We're going to talk about a line of fit. It indicates a trend in a set of data. So we have a scatter plot, and the line of fit is where you're going to draw a line that comes the closest to the data. So let's look at how you do that. Step 1. You make a scatter plot and determine where the relationship exists in the data. Here we have a set of data, and it shows the largest vertical drop of roller coasters in the United States and the number of years after 1988 that they were opened. So here's our independent variable, and the vertical drop is our dependent variable. So we make our scatter plot, we determine there is a relationship, and in this situation it is a positive correlation. Step 2, we draw a line that seems to pass close to most of the points. So here we have our feet in the vertical drops and the years, and we're going to draw our line, and it comes the closest to all the points. I do want you to remember this point of year 2 and 150 feet, and year 12 300 feet. We're going to use that on the next slide to determine our equation. So remember those 2 points, but you can see the line that comes very close. Step 3. Use the 2 points on the line of fit to write an equation for the line. That's the reason I ask you to remember those 2 points. We're going to label them x of 1, y of 1, x of 2, y of 2. We're going to find the slope. We've done this before. Then we're going to plug in to find b. We've done this before. And we get the equation of y equals 15x plus 120. Go back and review these videos if you don't remember how to do it. Step 4. Use the line of fit to make predictions. So they're asking us to predict the vertical drop of a roller coaster built 30 years after 1998. So we use your equation. Our x value is 30 years, and we find that it's 570 feet. If you want 5 points of extra credit, there is a music CD problem at the top of page 247. If you'll do it on a separate sheet of paper and hand it in, you can get that 5 points. Another thing I wanted to point out is we are going to do an activity that integrates science, math, and English, and you will be using this line of fit and scatter plots to determine some information that you work up in science. So be looking for that in the future.